Welcome to the Citra21 Channel, your gateway for diverse and engaging content. Join us for an exciting journey. Subscribe for the latest updates. Today, we're setting our sights on the majestic Niagara Falls, a natural wonder straddling the borders of the United States and Canada. Its breathtaking beauty and thrilling adventures attract millions from around the world. From cascading waterfalls to panoramic views, Niagara Falls offers an unforgettable experience. Today, we're going to explore the top attractions in Niagara Falls. Stay tuned to discover more. Starting our countdown, at number 5, we have the Niagara Park's Butterfly Conservatory. Nestled within the vast Niagara Park's Botanical Gardens, this tropical paradise is a haven for over 2,000 free-flying butterflies. The conservatory is a vibrant ecosystem, home to over 45 species of butterflies, fluttering around a lush landscape of exotic plants and gentle waterways. The Butterfly Conservatory isn't just about the beauty of these delicate creatures, it also plays a critical role in conservation efforts, offering a unique educational experience about their life cycle and importance to our environment. With its tranquil setting and the enchanting sight of butterflies dancing in the air, the Butterfly Conservatory is a must-visit spot for nature enthusiasts and those seeking a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of life. A visit to the Butterfly Conservatory offers an unforgettable and magical experience. Coming in at number 4 on our list is the breathtaking Niagara Skywheel. Towering 175 feet over the Niagara Falls, the Skywheel is a spectacle unto itself. It's not just a Ferris wheel, it's a unique viewing platform that offers a bird's-eye view of this natural wonder. As you ascend, you'll find yourself in a comfortable, climate-controlled gondola designed to give you an uninterrupted view of the surroundings. From the top, you're privy to an unparalleled view of both the American and Horseshoe Falls, as well as the Niagara River, Niagara Parks, and other landmarks. The Skywheel is a sensory experience like no other. The subtle movement, the gentle climb, the crescendo of anticipation, and then the view. It's a sight that will leave you breathless, and when the sun goes down, the Skywheel lights up, creating a dazzling display against the night sky. For a panoramic view of the falls, the Skywheel is your best bet. Our third pick is none other than the mesmerizing Cave of the Winds. This isn't your average cave, folks. Nestled in the heart of Niagara Falls, the Cave of the Winds is a testament to the breathtaking power of nature. Named after the Greek god of the wind, Aeolus, this isn't a cave in the traditional sense. Rather, it's a wooden walkway that takes you right up to the base of the Bridal Veil Falls. The history of this place is every bit as fascinating as the cave itself. It was discovered in the early 18th century by a brave explorer, and since then, it has offered a unique experience to thousands of thrill seekers. Imagine feeling the spray of the mighty falls on your skin, hearing the roar of water crashing down, and experiencing the gush of wind in your face. Now, that's an adventure. A trip to the Cave of the Winds will leave you with a sense of awe and wonder. At number 2, we have the iconic Maid of the Mist. This legendary boat tour has been ferrying awestruck visitors since the mid-19th century, making it one of the oldest tourist attractions in North America. Named after an ancient Angiyara Indian mythical character, the Maid of the Mist doesn't just show you the falls, it immerses you in them. Imagine feeling the cool mist on your face as the thunderous roar of millions of gallons of water falling fills your ears. Imagine getting so close to the cascading water that you can almost touch it. This is not just a sightseeing tour, it's an adventure that engages all your senses. From its humble beginnings with a single steamboat to its current fleet of 2 600-passenger vessels, the Maid of the Mist has evolved, but one thing remains the same: the breathtaking perspective it offers of the Niagara Falls. The Maid of the Mist is a truly immersive and thrilling experience. And finally, at number 1, we have the majestic Niagara Falls itself, a name synonymous with awe, inspiring natural beauty, and raw, untamed power. Nestled on the border between the United States and Canada, these falls have been a source of fascination and wonder for centuries. The Niagara Falls isn't just one waterfall, but a combination of three: the American Falls, the Bridal Veil Falls, and the Horseshoe Falls. Together, they form the greatest flow rate of any waterfall in North America. It's a sight that commands respect and admiration, a testament to the incredible forces that shaped our world. The history of Niagara Falls is as captivating as its beauty. The formation of the falls began more than 12,000 years ago at the end of the last glacial period. Today, these falls continue to evolve, a living monument to Earth's ceaseless change. Niagara Falls isn't just about the breathtaking views, though. The thunderous roar of the falls, the spray of water on your face, the feel of the mist in the air. It's an experience that engages all your senses. It's a place where you can feel the power and majesty of nature, a place that puts our human scale into perspective. Over the years, Niagara Falls has drawn millions of visitors from around the world, each person drawn to the spectacle of nature's grandeur. It's a place for romantic getaways, family vacations, and solo adventures. It's a place of legend where people have dared to ride the falls in barrels, tightrope walk across the river, and even plunge over the edge in a jet ski. But most of all, it's a place to stand in awe and wonder at the beauty and power of the natural world. The stunning Niagara Falls is a sight that everyone should witness at least once in their lifetime. It's not just a waterfall, it's an experience, a spectacle, a testament to the power and beauty of nature. So, if you haven't seen it yet, what are you waiting for? The majestic Niagara Falls is waiting for you. And that concludes our countdown of the top attractions in Niagara Falls. We've soared through the skies on the Niagara Skywheel and ventured into the heart of the falls on the Maid of the Mist. We've been awestruck by the natural beauty of the Niagara Park's Butterfly Conservatory and felt the power of the elements at the Cave of the Winds. Niagara Falls, straddling the borders of the United States and Canada, is a place of extraordinary beauty and thrilling adventures. It's a place where nature's power meets human ingenuity, giving us attractions that are as diverse as they are exciting. We've seen that whether you're looking for a serene escape amidst butterflies or a heart-pounding journey into the heart of a waterfall, Niagara Falls has something for everyone. It's not just a waterfall, it's a destination that offers a multitude of experiences, each one more captivating than the last. Niagara Falls is a testament to the power and beauty of nature, a place that ignites the spirit of adventure in all of us. Each attraction we've covered today adds a unique flavor to this adventure, making Niagara Falls an unforgettable destination. But our journey doesn't end here. There are still countless other attractions waiting to be discovered, and we can't wait to explore them with you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching Citra21 Channel.